All right, so today we are going to be checking out some hair color transformations. We start off with someone who has a black faded cut. So it looks like she is going platinum here. Now, y'all know the platinum hair color has been trending for the past couple of years. Oh my goodness, wow. I just love the way that this platinum looks with that red lip. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. So beautiful. Now moving on to look number 2. She has some beautiful hair. Look at that head full of natural hair. Oh, so she decided to mix it up with this beautiful ginger copper color. This looks absolutely gorgeous against her complexion. And the color has a nice dimensional tone to it. Very pretty. Ooh, next up we have a dimensional beige blonde color. Kind of looks like a mix between beige blonde, ash blonde. Absolutely breathtaking dimensional tones throughout. If you want to go blonde, I feel like this is just such a breathtaking color combo. And of course, she's got the layers and the haircut as well. So pretty. So it looks like we might have a color touch up here. So she starts off with like these blonde ends, dark roots. Hair is just around shoulder length. Now, I do want to say if y'all are loving these color combos for the spring season, stay tuned because there will be a part 2 for today's video, just in case you want to have even more hair color inspiration. A lot of us like to play around with color after the winter because we are just tired of the basics, okay? We want to spruce things up. It's a new season. And color is the best way to do so. Oh, the stylist got, y'all peep that? The stylist got some neon green in the mix going there. Looks like she's got like the dip dyed in trend going on. All right, so let's see what she decides to come up with. Ooh, whoa, okay. She got a bob. She got the works with this cut. She got an angled bob. She's got the ginger color going here with the burgundy. Oh, wow. She done spice things up. Now, this is how you enter a new season. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all these hairstyles that were featured within today's video. Stay tuned for part 2, and I will see you in the next one.